Let's stop email tracking in Gmail. It comes down to one setting, and once it's changed, it stays changed. Open your browser and go to gmail.com. If you're already signed in, your inbox loads right away. If not, enter your Google email and password and continue. Once the inbox is up, check the profile circle in the top right if you have more than one Google account. The setting you're about to change applies only to the account you're in. If it's the wrong one, click the circle and switch accounts before you go any further. Now look right beside that profile circle for the gear icon. Click it. A quick settings panel opens down the right side. At the top of the panel, click See All Settings. The full settings page opens with the General tab already selected. If it's not, click General in the row across the top. This page is long and most of it doesn't matter for tracking. You only need one section. Stay on the General tab and scroll down. Go slowly because the Images section is easy to scroll past. It sits a little more than halfway down, under a heading that says Images, and it has two radio buttons. This is where the tracking problem actually lives. When an email loads an external image, that image is usually stored on the sender's server. A sender who wants to know if you open their message can embed a tiny invisible image, a tracking pixel. If Gmail loads it automatically, the sender's server records the open. The default here on most accounts is always display external images, and that's the setting that allows it. Some people think Gmail's image proxy stops tracking, but it doesn't stop the open signal. The sender still sees that the image was fetched. Click the radio button next to Ask before displaying external images. The button fills in and the current selection moves. Gmail will now block every external image until you approve it for that specific message. I keep this set to Ask on every account I use, even for newsletters I read, because I'd rather approve images one message at a time than hand over open data automatically. If the radio button is grayed out, that usually means a Google Workspace administrator has locked the image setting, and you can't change it from here. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. The Save Changes button is at the bottom, blue, and easy to miss if you don't scroll far enough. If you leave the page without clicking Save Changes, nothing you just selected sticks. I have made that mistake before. Click Save Changes. Gmail saves the change and shows a small confirmation at the top of the settings page. From now on, new messages behave differently. This does not go back and block images and old messages you already opened. Only mail that arrives after the save is protected. Now click the Gmail logo in the top left to go back to your inbox. Open a promotional email, something with a large image at the top. Instead of that image, Gmail shows a notice that images are not displayed. The text is still there, but the remote content is blocked. That means the sender didn't get a read receipt just from your opening the message. If you trust this sender, click Display Images below in that notice, and Gmail loads the images for this one email only. It does not switch the main setting back on. The next email still asks first. And that's the part people get confused by because it looks like you're undoing the fix, but it's a one-time override. While you're inside this message, hover over any link so the destination appears at the bottom left. This setting blocks image-based tracking, but it does not block link tracking. Most senders use both an invisible pixel and a tracking link, so this stops the read receipt but not the click receipt. If you click a link inside the message, the sender can still see that click. So for a message you want to keep private, don't click the links either. If you ever want to reverse this, click the same gear icon, choose See All Settings, scroll to the Images section, and select Always Display External Images. Then scroll down and click Save Changes. That's the same path in reverse. If this kept your opens private, leave a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this to other people searching for the same thing.